Uh, Voila. Actually, has something to stand on. Hi, Zero. My dumbass in this picture. I was trying to make another video to see what is it does it look like on the side. Well, it's just us hanging out here. As you can see, us right here. Zero right here. I don't know, just making a random video. The Witch of Lights there really is very interesting on what you pronounce to this cell phone that I see. What do you talk to her about? What do you show her about? I don't know, she's pretty cool. Whoa. 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 So, apparently, our gadget seems to have a malfunction and we need maintenance. So, trying to figure out, man, move out the way, man. Gee, oh, aim, it was just to see, man. So, as we go back to, I try to adjust this. Our needle is not moving functionally. So, we're gonna have to open Ariana Grande up. Sorry, Ariana, but we're gonna have to see why you're not switching right. Let's move on forward. Here we go. Essentially, we have to touch here, 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 here. I guess what we refer to as a organ. Ah, fuck, you still with you. Well, I'm just getting my screw situated. Damn, that motherfucker just came out somewhere. Well, let's begin. Thank you so much. And I wonder how to make this happen. Well, Billy, I think you should do the honors and do it. I think we don't need to take that part off. I'm assuming such as this part. Don't try this at home. I don't know why I tell you. I'm like literally, what the hell did you just say? First one, that's scary. Ariana Grande, sorry. I'm not sure where you pulled it off from. Yeah, look at her like two different. I'm looking at her like right here. Peekaboo. So I'm the Zero Wizard. I guess we got it from here. Alright, trying to figure out what's next. Alright, so we don't have no experience of opening her up. I'm assuming this might be important. I have no experience of doing this at all. This is my first time. Alright, first time. Anyways, we're gonna get them. This is our first time. Well, get out of the cage, man. Okay, so I'm assuming to myself, I'm gonna unleash whatever is inside here. Has to be open. But nah, the rest must be done. I look weird when I look up in here and look up that, I'm not wondering to myself, what's the best side? Man, get your ass over here. Take a time, not to reflect, man, but I'm wondering to myself, man, what's not something to understand, man, besides magnetic, electrical? What do you think, Leo? What do you think? Complex? I don't know. Welcome back. Hold on. Sorry, I look weird. Hold on. Well, as maintenance goes, We'll see what's wrong with her. The Sobo doesn't understand. I don't know if it's Sobo or just referred to as the needle actually moving sides to make a different direction of the texture of the sewing machine, which is kind of offensive to me. What happened? Dust, maybe. Well, we'll have to figure out what. Soul Zero. Illuminati over here. And we must proceed with the autopsy. Sewing style. That's nice. And you know what? Just proceed with the autopsy. We gotta figure out how this baby stays alive. Well, we gotta take off her skin. That sucks. Sorry, baby. We don't need to put you in anesthesia and all that stuff. We just did it without anything else. We just unplugged you. And hopefully, you don't feel anything. Here we go. So I stood it up 2 sections. I'm waiting to myself. This is the correct tool. Only they have. So, off comes the board. But, well then. As I'm trying to see, I'll take off this here. We'll take that with us too, I guess. Big crack open. But, first time ever seen this piece, Mama. Somehow her brain came off. Sorry, baby. Sorry, Ariana. Someone fainted. No! Someone fainted. No! He just fainted. He'll be back in short brief messages.